Hello mga ka-Vitox! So ngayon nandito nga tayo sa Music Museum para sa first ever concert ng Kidlex and I'm so excited dahil marami silang inihanda at marami silang surprises na bibigyan nila sa atin ngayon. So I'm just so excited lalo na sa magiging kanta nila with their idols, with Jen Constantino and Bugoy Drilon. So I'm so looking forward to that. So aabangan ko yun later. So yun, I'm so just excited na lang talaga manood ngayon. So, tara, samahan niyo ako at i-upload ko rin yung mga highlights dito sa vlog na to and also experience ng mga sweethearts like me, okay? Love you all mga ka-Vitok. See you later! Madami po yung mga Kidlex. Paakyat pa lang po yan sa pila. Dami po nila. Yan, baka naka-t-shirt pa sila.
We will never leave our hearts in the mind.
Or ikaw nasa penthouse, kung na akong Christmas tree to ikaw sa
How would you describe me in one word and why? One word.
one only. Maybe you are electric.
Electric.
I'm going to quote Taylor Swift. I just feel like she uses that word to describe things or people or situations that involve love.
For you, I would describe you as... Can you describe yourself? You get what I mean? Because there's so many words to describe you. There are not enough words in the English dictionary. You're just too amazing.
If you have a song for me, what is it?
My song for you right now, until the end of time, Justin Timberlake. It's not a very popular song. Pero the lyrics are very simple. Because if your love is all you're having good time, so don't be enough to get It's been...
Unless.
Unless... Okay.
You know, sparks might be cold.
Oh yeah.
Just because of one line. I promise you there's always look out. You. When I heard the lyrics of that song, it reminds me of you. Yeah, I don't think that happens to me. What is your message to everyone who loves?
Yeah, of course to our supporters, our sweethearts, our solids, and of course to our family and friends also who are supporting KB Lex. Thank you guys so much for all the love that you give me and Alexa.
Thank you so much for making it tonight, and thank you for being here. First of all, I am so excited. I'm so excited for tonight. Are you excited?
I'm super duper excited to perform for you guys and of course to have fun with you.
We prepared a lot of stuff tonight, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Shall we begin?
Let's begin. This is At the Heart KB Lex in concert. Enjoy!
In my line of work, challenges are part of
Good evening, Music Museum! Yes, indeed, we have found love. And we are here right now in the Music Museum because of love and because of all of you. So again, good evening everyone, and welcome to
Add to Heart KD Lex in concert. Grabe, ang sarap talaga ng feeling. Feel na feel ko yung energy dito ngayon sa Music Museum. Woo!
Sobrang saya. Masaya ba kayo?
Siyempre masaya sila.
Kasi kami masaya kami. As in, napakasaya. Masaya ba kayo? I'm so happy to hear that. Kaya naman, woo! Kaya naman, sa aming solid sweethearts and syempre, sa lahat ng aming solid fans, welcome. We're so happy to have you guys here.
Yes, sana okay kayo dyan, sana komportable kayo. Tonight will be a night full of music, love, inspiration, and gratitude to all of you. And of course, thank you dahil sinamahan niyo kami ni Alexa sa aming journey, most especially now dito sa aming concert. So, let's post and use the official hashtag @toheartkdlexconcert.
And tonight, isi-share namin ang mga nilalaman ng puso namin. Mga bagay na espesyal sa amin. Siyempre kagaya ninyo, di ba? Espesyal kayo sa amin. Kaya naman, we hope na mag-enjoy kayong lahat dyan. Makikanta, makisayaw, makijam, makifeels with us. And alam ko, ako sigurado ako, this will be the kind of night, this will definitely be one of the memories that we will always add to heart. Pero alam niyo ba guys, matindi yung paghahanda na ginawa namin dito para syempre to give you guys a good show. And speaking of paghahanda, feeling ko kailangan maghanda ka na.
Oo nga pala.
Kasi alam ko, madami kang prepare for them. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. Nako mga girls, kapit. Girls, gays, everyone in between, kapit. Matindi ang mga inihanda ni KD para sa inyong lahat. So,
Be right back, I'll be right back.
Go. Be right back, be right back. So for now, it is just you and me. Is that okay? Thank you so much guys for coming again. And speaking of mga paghahanda ni KD, I would love for you guys to please watch this.
Yung batang ako, mas makulit siya compared to now. Kasi now, I like to reserve my energy. Pero dati, lagi akong maghahanap ng playground, kung lalabas, or lagi akong hahabulan kasama ng mga kapatid ko. Noong 13 years old ako, I was grade 7, tinanggal ako sa varsity ng basketball. So, inisip ko, hindi, kailangan ko ng hobby. Ang dami kong energy, kaya I need to do something. Tapos nakita ko, habang lunchtime, yung isang senior, nagkikitara siya. Tapos, dami niyang kasamang girls na nanonood sa kanya. So, sabi ko, hindi, gusto kong maging ganyan. 1 week ako nag-lesson sa isang guitar store. Dami kong nakikitang tutorial sa internet. Pero ngayon, nagawa kong passion, and I'm thankful for that. I think yung first song na tinugtog ko is All of Me by John Legend. Kasi yun yung sikat nun at the time eh. Well, since guitar-based talaga yung origins ko, Shawn Mendes, Ed Sheeran, si Bruno Mars, yung early Bruno Mars na yung mga Just the Way You Are, kasi nagigitara siya dun. A bit of Justin Bieber, maybe a bit of One Direction din for the pop. Locally, was sila Buboy Drilon, Daryl Ong, si Michael Pangilinan. Soul Sessionistas din on ASAP, they're one of my big inspirations. Si JR, Jason D. Ang smooth lang ng boses. That's one of the reasons why I like R&B. It's just so smooth, it's very soothing. Mahilig din ako sa mga bands. I remember nagja-jamming din kami ng mga classmates ko ng mga band songs like Four of Spades, Ben and Ben, a bit of Parokya ni Edgar, of course, for classic, of course, Eraserhead. Si Vigo Blanco. Me and Alexa got to work with him during the opening of the PBB Season 10. Ayun, ang galing niya. 16 years old po ako, nagkaroon ng interest for songwriting. Parang nagkaroon ako ng crush sa isang girl. Then I started writing what I was feeling lang, yun yung first song ko. When I was turning 17, I discovered that I can sing. Tumugtog lang ako ng Koy Sayuti Kay Akin Lamang. One of the first songs I learned sa guitar din. Kumakanta ako sa bedroom ko. Tapos narinig ng dad ko. Sabi niya, you want me to record you? Sabi ko, okay, sure, I'll try. Try lang. Tapos, ayun, na-post ko sa Facebook. And that's one of the reasons how I got discovered. Grabe, exhilarating, and I'm very nervous. I've said this in mga interviews. I'm very nervous kasi I want to give the fans what they deserve. I want to give them a great show. Because they paid to see us give a great show, and we're gonna give them that.
Gusto kayo dyan? Anyway, hope you're all having fun tonight. Aside from classic songs, kanina na-mention ko sa DTR na fan din ako ng R&B. Fan din ako ng Budakel dati. Sina Bugoy Drilon, Daryl Ong, and Michael Pangilinan. Ang galing nila, and I really look up to them. And it's such an honor to be singing with one of my idols right now. He's a certified hitmaker and produkto rin siya ng reality show kagaya ko. Tonight, we'll be singing one of his hits, his greatest hits. Let's all welcome Mr. Bugoy Drilon. Let's go! Come through. I am truly honored. And bumati ka naman sa ating audience.
KD Lex, thank you for having me here. Thank you for the support din po sa lahat. At lalo na sa kanila, maraming salamat po dahil kayo po talaga yung isa sa mga gift na binigay niyo sa kanila kasi kung wala po kayo, hindi naman po ito mabubuo. So, wala pa kayo ng mga sarili. Maraming salamat sa love at tiwala na binibigay niyo po sa kanila.
Yes, may ipaplat ka ba? New single?
Oh, really? Actually, sige. Naiya ako pero it's parang 6 years po akong hindi naglabas ng album. And I think it's time for me to release again an album. Gusto niyo ba ng sample sa?
Oh, naman!
Kuya, record ko yun.
Same to yours.
Ito po yung actually first single na magiging album ko ngayon. So, this called Hilo. So, sana ko gusto naman. Konti lang. Everything is changing. Something that I should be feeling. Something lying in between you and I. If I could only tell you that things been running through my mind. If I could only tell you that gusto ko lang malaman mo na di dapat mag-alala. Andito lang ako hanggang kailangan mo.
Ang galing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kuya.
Thank you guys, I love you all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Buhay Drilon, everybody! Please, palakpakan mo naman. Ang sarap talaga sa feeling na makaduet mo mga idols mo, di ba? And alam niyo, nung pandemic ako, since nasa bahay lang ako, nag-isip ako ng content para sa TikTok. At nauso na yung mga dance challenge, mga pranks. Kaya naghanap ako na pwede kong gawin. And ayun, may nakita akong duet. Kaya marami akong gawin videos and mga ilan nag-viral din. Nag-hit sila ng 1 million. And ngayon, pipili ako ng isa. Makakaduet sa akin. So guys, tonight, will you sing with me? Let's go. Sige. Gusto na ba ako? Let's go. Tingnan mo yung song. Who knows this song? Who knows this song? Thank you. I'm very happy that very participant audience ngayon. Gusto mo ng isa pa? Wala pang chance. Bigyan natin ng chance to others. I think ito, sigurado, alam nyo ito. Kasi sikat ito eh. Let's go! Sabi ko din, isa sa mga favorites kong kantahin noon, may mga banda hits. And isa doon namang River Maya. And I have seen them perform on ASAP, napaka-galing nila. And I never really get to jam with them. And the closest ko na kumanta ako with Rico Blanco, with Alexa. Lumabas kami ng PBB, yes. And yan talaga yung mga moments na di ko makakalimutan. Kasi napakahusay niyang songwriter and singer-songwriter, and he's a legend in OPM. And eto po, kakantahin ko po ngayon, isa sa mga hits niya. Kung alam niyo, sabay lang kayo sa akin.
Hello KD, it's Corey.
And in a bit, siguro nagbibihis pa. Lalabas na siya.
Surprise!
Ay, surprise! Ang ganda. Palakpakan natin yung suot nila. So, grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda mo talaga. Thank you.
Ikaw ang dapat palakpakan. Everyone, please. Give a round of applause for Katie.
Thank you so much.
You are so great.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng song choices.
Ang ganda mo.
Alam mo, mahiya ko naman kay Direk Loren.
Ay, sorry.
Mahiya naman tayo sa pamilya natin. Ganon. Anyway, alam niyo guys, one of the things that makes this concert... Love you! One of the things that makes this concert very, very special is sobrang hands-on po namin ni KD. Dito, sa buong prosesong ito, kami lahat namili ng mga kanta. Kaya naman, sobrang meaningful talaga lahat ng kakantahin namin, lahat ng ipaperform namin para sa inyo.
Yes, kaya naman sobrang overwhelming talaga ang feeling namin ngayon to be with all of you. It's very memorable concert, kaya naman walang hanggan din ang kasasama.
Yes! And if you like
Bata
that,
lang ako.
sit
I
back and
think
relax.
ever since I could
There's
talk
more.
or ever since I could sing, lagi na akong umaarte sa harap ng audience ko, which is my mom and yung yaya ko nung time na yun. Lagi ako nagpuput on ng show, comedy show, you name it. Para kami may comedy bar sa bahay. Ako yung feel ko talaga. Basta bata pa lang ho talaga ako, I knew na maarte ako, hindi, na mahilig akong mag-perform. I started doing commercials at the age of 2. Hindi pa ako fully aware sa mga nangyayari, but I guess you could say it was really in me. It's part of my DNA, I guess. Lagi ako nanonood ng mix. Every day, wala pang gadgets noon, wala pang social media, so TV talaga yung form of entertainment na nakukuha ko. Kahit yung Pinoy Top 20, pinapanood ko lahat yun, lahat ng mga playlists. So I guess isa din yun sa mga entry ko sa music career. And my father, kasi actually my dad is a musician, and my sister also sings. I've always been surrounded by music. Tapos nagko-collect ako ng CDs, kahit wala akong CD player. Kung meron akong favorite artist, lahat ng album niya, kompleto ako nun. Favorite ko ng mga banda, My Chemical Romance, first ever CD that I bought. Fall Out Boy, yung bands, Avril Lavigne, Paramore, yun yung era. Until pumasok sa buhay ko si Justin Bieber. At doon, umikot ang mundo ko. Doon na, as in Justin Bieber galore. And syempre, Taylor Swift. We have Selena Gomez, all the pop stars, the pop icons. Bukod po sa mga concerts, mahilig ako manood ng gigs. Bar gig, ganyan. Of Moonstar 88. Silang pinaka-paborito kong banda. And syempre, idol ko din si Ate Yeng Constantino. Isa siya sa mga naging inspirations. Naging mentor ko siya. I'm so proud to say that. I was able to learn a lot from her. Watch her. Iba siya as Ate Yeng, pero iba din siya as our mentor. Ang dami niyang na-instill sa akin, and hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga advice na binigay niya sa akin. Mostly, doon nag-arrange yung music taste ko, especially when I was young. Either alternative rock, or pop.
Are you ready to rock? Ang saya-saya nun. Alam nyo guys, nakakakita kasi ako sa Twitter na madami sa inyo ang nakakamiss nung 2016, 2017 era ko ba? My pop rock era. Yung mga moments na yon, truly one of the best moments of my life. Yung experience na nagkaroon ako ng banda, nakapag-play ako, nakapag-gig ako. Alam niyo guys, sobrang true love ko talaga. Passion ko talaga mag-perform, kumanta, mag-inante. Lahat! Passion ko lahat yan. Kaya, di ko lang matandaan kung anong taon. But, a couple years ago, I met someone. She's a girl. I met someone who changed my life in a way. Changed me. At kasama din siya. Changed me in a way. Changed how I feel about performing. Dati kasi, sumali ako sa show na We Love OPM. Are you familiar with that? And yun, alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi na isa yun sa mga pinaka-paborito kong show na ginawa ko. Wait lang, mag-multitask ako. Tapon pa, sorry po. Sorry, painin. Love you guys! I love that, thank you. Pero, eto nga, I met this person. Sobrang blessed ako to say na she became my mentor. She became a good friend to me. She became an ate to me. And she's not only my inspiration. Alam mo, teenager lang ako noon, navigating my way through the music scene. And isa siya sa mga taong nagsabi sa akin na lakasan ko yung loob ko, na paniwalaan ko yung sarili ko, at na hindi masama mag-cringe sa sarili natin paminsan-minsan. Tama! Parang siya yung nagko-concert, no? Baka mamaya wala ka ng boses. Ayan, so I would like to call on stage an icon of OPM, the one and only, the pop rock superstar, Yen Constantino. That is grabe naman yun. Ay, hindi ate, like, grabe, sobrang, never pa tayo nagkasama kumanta sa D-Channel.
Sa asa ko, nagkakasama tayo, pero yung ganitong
Not like this.
Oh, not like this. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na, thank you sa mahabang, pa-tribute mo kanina, pero gusto ko din i-honor ka tonight, kasi isa ka sa mga taong, totoo po to isa si Alexa sa pinaka-totoong taong nakilala ko. Whether naiinis siya o tuwa siya, sobrang real niya lang sa core niya. And I'm very excited pa sa mga gagawin mo as a songwriter. Sana ganun, pupatuloy mo lang, huwag ka mahihiya na ilabas yung mga kantang sinusulat mo. Yan, katulad sinabi mo kanina, okay lang mag-cringe minsan, pero hindi, magaling ka eh. Hindi cringeable yung mga ginagawa mo. And always remember, isa ka rin sa mga pinakamagagandang star sa industriya mo. Always have that in mind. I love you.
I love you, ate! Ang saya, feeling ko birthday ko.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, ate! Ayan, sobrang maraming salamat, Ate Yeng, for, again, being an inspiration to me. At sa marami pang ibang tao dito sa audience o mga nanonood online, wherever. Pero balita ko, meron kang good news para sa aming lahat. At naalala ko, ate, sinabi ko sa'yo, I dedicate that song to somebody. You remember?
Oo, meron po akong bagong single! Opo.
alam kong sana yung mga taon naririnig ako na medyo inspirational, ganyan cutesy. First time po ako maglalabas ng kantang medyo may angst at mayroong gigil.
I love it.
You love it?
I love it.
Gusto ko yun. Ang tanong, iparinig ko kaya sa kanila, gusto rin ko. I'm sure they will love it. Dapat ninyong pakinggan, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a big hand for Miss Yang Constantino! Thank you, Alexa! Grabe yung KD Lex! Dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. Alam niyo, dati parang pangarap ko lang to lahat. Dati, lagi lang ako nanonood ng mix, nag-iintay ng mga paborito kong kanta. Nag-iintay ng chance na one day, makapag-perform din ako, makakanta rin ako, maka-arte rin ako. Ay, at ito lang talagang gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Kumanta, mag-acting, mag-perform in front of you all. So, thank you. Nakakatakot naman yun. Is that a threat? Hindi, pero gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa lahat ng idols ko, lahat ng nakapag-inspire sa akin. Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, everyone, all the bands that I've looked up to since I was young. Sila ang mga naging inspiration ko rin as I achieve my dreams. And I know there's still so much to learn and so much to achieve. But you know, I believe that everything is possible when you believe in magic. I would like to dedicate that song. Oh no, for the cry! Oh no! Okay. Hindi pa din, mahirap yung susunod na kanta. So, eto, backstory lang. Kalasan mo na! Pag-uusapan niyo pa lang namin.
Sorry, sige, labas muna ako.
Okay, balik ka na lang mamaya. Ayan. So, yun, backstory lang. So, last Feb, nagpunta kami ni KD sa Japan to watch Taylor Swift's concert. And grabe, sobrang thankful ako dahil hinatid sundo niya ako. And basta matandi siya kung ginagawa. He's an acts of service guy. And ang swerte-swerte ko, sana all talaga. Hindi, but I mean, I think ang best part kay KD is he does everything so willingly, walang kapalit. And, bigay niyo na sa akin to.
Pasok daw ako ulit. Pero I have to say something, swerte din ako sa'yo. I'm there to support you. Cheers!
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 Okay guys, tsaka po ito ha.
Hindi, tsaka yun.
Actually, dahil mag-cheers na tayo, pwede rin ba ako makingi ng water please? Masyado malaki ang aking damit, hindi ako makagala.
Basta kayo dyan? Wala kayo good time!
And
We love you.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na masarap yung pakiramdam na kasama ko yung taong
You deserve the best.
bababa ko lang ito, baka matapon ko sa kilig eh. Tanggal angas. Kumukha ba akong maangas na malaki kong pink tutu? I was not going for angas. I was going for gorgeous princess.
Pero of course,
Wait,
yeah.
speaking of princess,
Oh nga.
parang, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, I'm thinking what you're thinking.
So, naalala ko lang, di ba lagi tayo nagla-live?
Oo.
Whatever platform.
Oo.
Tapos meron sila laging nire-request. Ano yun sila?
So yan, paki-scroll up po.
And then lagi sila nagre-request kasi ng Disney.
Yes.
Disney. And I think it's fitting because I found my Prince Charming.
And it's just so nice kasi like sa music lang with them. I never thought na dumating yung time na parehas kami isasalang sa musical.
Ayan, so this medley is really for you guys. Because I know this is something that you've always wanted to hear, and this is the perfect place. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, walang iba na. Pangako yan.
Pangako yan.
Pangako yan. Cross your heart. Thank you so much guys. Grabe. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? So, anong mga nagustuhan niyo so far? Ano yung favorite? Lahat? Okay. So, sino dito yung bumiyahe pa mula sa malayong lugar? Oh my God, ang dami! Ang dami! Lahat. Maraming salamat po for being here. It's been such a wonderful night. It's been such a wonderful journey with you guys. Alam nyo, naisip ko kanina, kinakabahan ako. Siyempre, kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Oo naman.
So, kanina, sobrang kaba ko. Tapos, naisip ko kung ano yung pinakamahirap na gagawin ko ngayon. At yun ay hindi umiyak. So, wala ha. Pwede, pero pwede after na. So, ayan, sobrang masaya kami ni KD ngayon. Maraming salamat, everyone.
Yes,
Thank you, KD.
Thank you.
Kwentuhan ko lang kayo guys kung hindi pa tayo overtime. So, kagabi, hindi ako nakatulog kahit 1 minuto. It's a time. As in, walang tulog, zero. Umiiyak na ako kasi ilang oras na lang kailangan ko na pumunta dito. Paano ko kakanta ng walang tulog? Hindi ko alam paano ko gagawin yun.
Pero tingnan niyo naman, ang
ay,
husay.
hindi. Alam niyo, the Lord. Si Lord. The Lord, praise the Lord talaga. Pero hindi, gusto ko lang i-share kasi sabi ko kay KD kanina, ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung anong outcome na mangyayari sa akin ngayong gabi. Sabi ko, ikaw na to, no pressure, pero ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Alam kong kaya mo. And super amazing, you slayed. Slayed the house. So, thank you, KD, for being the best partner ever.
Thank you, Alexa. Sure, of course. Pero yeah, thank you, Alexa. And you did so great. Yung Enchanted mo, ang galing. Nandun ako sa backstage, nag-vibe lang ako. But at this point, I'd like to share one of the things that I really like to do. I love playing the guitar. And this is for all of you. Sana magustuhan nyo. Thank you, Alexa. Thank you so much for singing with me. The Disney
The
duets.
floor is yours.
The floor is
Wait lang, medyo matagal ako maglakad. Wait lang po. Okay, game.
Okay na. Ayun, ang laki. Oh, okay pa ba kayo dyan?
Alam niyo, kanina na-mention ni KD yung paggagawa ng kanta. So, naalala ko lang yung, actually, masaya naman, pero pressure din in a way kasi nung nasa loob kami ng PBB, parang super enjoy si Kuya magpagawa ng kanta sa amin.
Yes, totoo.
Minsan 3 in 30 minutes. Tapos Christmas theme. May mga ganon. Pero in fairness naman to us,
Nagawa natin
palagi.
Magre-reklamo pero gagawin din.
Tama, teamwork makes the dream work. Pero you know, that was something that really made our bond stronger. Kaya kami naging stronger together. At iba rin yun sa nakakapag-validate sa akin na kaya pala, kaya ko pala makasulat ng kanta. Kinailangan ko lang pala si KD. Dahil sa kanya, dahil sinare niya yung talents niya sa pagigitara sa akin, nakakapagawa ko ng kanta. And speaking of kanta, hindi ko lang alam if naaalala nyo, pero tuwing magpo-promote kami ng concert, tinitlis namin na we have old songs, we have new songs, and we have unreleased songs.
Eto na. The floor is yours. Take it.
Lagi ako nakakakita sa Twitter ng album when, album when, album when. Soon. Soon. So, naka-add to heart na. So, itong next song na to, ayan, itong next song, pagkatapos ng Believing in Magic, this is going to be my next single, coming really, really soon. And I would just like to share it with you all para sa lahat ng mga nakakaranas ng, para sa lahat ng mga may Don't That Got Away, para sa mga lagi napapaisip, ano kaya nangyari kung naging kami?
Iiyak na sila.
Iiyak na sila. Ano kaya nangyari kung hindi ako naging duwag? Ano kaya ang mangyayari kung naging tayo? This is such an amazing night.
Exhilarating.
Well, this is printed in my mind forever and ever. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of so many people, and I mean so many people. But before we go into saying our thank yous, dahil it's still the month of May, birth month mo pa din. So, syempre, patingin naman natin ang ating birthday boy. Humabol ka, oh.
Humabol ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayun.
Should I make a wish?
Sure, of course. Cake mo yan eh. Go, make a wish. Whatever you wish.
Ay, nandito pala yung na-wish ko.
Maliit na bagay. Naku, nawala yan.
Lagi yung magaganyan pag may cake. Every birthday, I'm just gonna say that.
Ayan, so, belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Uy, kiss, wag mo ganun. Ang programang ito ay rated PG. I'm very proud of you, proud of the man you are becoming. You know, I always want what's best for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. If I don't say that enough, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang tibay mo. Like, super galing mo as a person. Kasi may mga kaibigan kami, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Alexa, swerte mo kay KD.
Swerte ako sa'yo.
And then, tanggapin mo na, hindi to contest. Swerte ako sa'yo.
Hindi, competitive ako.
And then, ayun, I'm just so thankful and ang saya na unti-unti kong natutupad yung dreams ko, tapos may bonus pa na ikaw nakasama. So, I hope that we can continue doing life like this.
Yes, we will. Forever and ever.
Ayun, you wanna say something?
Yeah, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat. Everybody in Music Museum right now, and everybody online. Thank you so much for the birthday greetings. And, grabe, I didn't ask for any gift kasi kayo, sapat na kayo. And ikaw, just my partner, not only in work, pero in my personal life din. We always share moments together, and I'm happy Ano na sa'yo doon? Yes, thank you Alexa for always being there. And thank you everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much for the support and love.
And since you're already thanking the people you want, segue na rin ako. So, everyone, gusto namin pasalamatan ang aming mahusay, sobrang husay na banda. Starting off with our musical director, Chuck Hossa.
Palakpakan naman natin. And on bass, we have Roman de la Cruz. Palakpakan natin.
Yes! On second keyboard, we have Nolly Rodriguez. Yay!
And of course, on guitar, si Kuya Jano Guayquep.
And of course, we have our backup singers also. Sobrang big help. Thank you so much for singing with us. We have Mike Luis and Faye Yupano.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you. Please, everyone, we need a louder round of applause for our please. They are the geniuses behind this concert. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. We are very lucky because since this is our first concert, inalagaan kami ng mga taong kasama namin and hindi na kami pinabayaan. They really helped us prepare for this night. So again, maraming salamat po. Wait a minute! Okay, and may I continue my thanks? Sorry, sobrang haba. Ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan, syempre. First of all, where's Derek? Derek John?
Direk John.
Direk John,
Stas.
thank you so much. Direk John, Sir Riley, Mama Bear,
Yes.
Miss Liza, for
Si Mama Chini.
Mama Chini. Sobrang kong na-appreciate because they really got to know us. Got to know me and KD, kung sino may bilang tao. Hindi sila basta-basta nagpa-produce ng concert lang na kahit ano na lang.
Nag-bonding pa tayo.
Nag-bonding kami. So they really got to know us and that's why this feels so intimate and that's why this feels so genuine.
Yes.
Feels so real. Thank you so much. To the people working sa tech, thank you mga kuya for making us sound great. Tech riders, everyone. Teacher Ann,
Yes.
our voice coach na talagang tinututukan din kami. Thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so many more.
Of course, our sponsors.
Yes, of course, our sponsors. First of all, Ma'am Ana Magkawas, Lux Slim. Thank you so much naman for your support. Are you here tonight? Huh? But yeah, I mean, whether you are here or not, your support means the world to me. And of course, yeah.
Metro Photo and 4 brands, Balay Suba and Fernando's Bake Shop. And of course, he did my suits. Si Sir Francis Libiran, thank you so much. And of course, si Miss Ana Magkawas, extraordinary. And of course, yung glam teams natin.
Akin na to.
Sige na to.
Ayun, so I would also like to thank my glam team, syempre. Patty Yap and the designers, Rika Siena, Fatima Beltran, Mama Jake Galvez, Justin Ocampo, Extraordinary for my nails. Uy guys, sobrang pinaghandaan ko to, promise. Pati yung kuko ko, kung pwede nakikita mo.
Pa-tight shot naman po dito.
It deserves a tight shot. Isn't that gorgeous? So ayan, maraming salamat sa aming special guest, syempre.
Yes. Of course, yung guest ko po na si Kuya Bugoy Drilon and si
Ate Yang Constantino, maraming salamat. Sobrang thank you. And of course, how could we forget on drums? Sir Alden Concepcion. Uy, paano naman natin nakalimutan?
Sorry.
Ay, malabo ang mata. Sorry po.
Yes, of course. Salamat din sa ABS-CBN Studios. Sir Carlo, Tita Cory, Sir Mark, Star Magic Family, si Derek Loren. And all our handlers, Mama Joy, Ate DJ, RMs, and of course our RMs, Ate Casey and Ate Vanessa, ABS-CBN Music Family, Sir Roxy, Sir Jonathan, Sir Rox. Of course, our PPP family din.
Yes, our PPP family, our ASAP family,
Dreamscape
our
family.
Dreamscape family, and our PPP family. Maraming salamat. And thank you sa boss, our dancers, you the boss. Kuya Reden, Teacher Anna, of course, and to our Add to Heart family, again, sila Sir Riley, sila Mama Bear, Direk John, everyone, sa lahat ng staff, sa lahat ng bumubuo nito, sa lahat ng glam teams namin ni Katie, just to everyone who gave their heart and their soul to make this concert what it is. Maraming salamat also to the programs who allowed us to promote.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa TV
TV
Patrol,
Wish Boss,
One Balita, Eat Bulaga, Good Morning Kapatid, ASAP, It's Showtime, and Kapamilya Siya.
And all the press and the media for wonderful write-ups. Thank you so much. And to all our family and friends and all, of course, syempre kayo, Sweethearts and Solid fans. Thank you.
Yes, ito, wait lang. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta thank you lang to.
Yes.
Ito, maraming salamat. Alam ko na surprise kayo nung nag-announce kami na magkakaroon ng concert, and we are so thankful dahil yung response nyo ay napaka-warm. Imbis na kaba yung maramdaman namin ni KD, nakampante kami kasi alam namin na pupunta kayo, susuportahan nyo kami, kahit 1 million times na kaming nakita at napanood, hindi kayo nagsasawa.
Di ba kayo nagsasawa sa mukha namin?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Totoo yun, guys. Totoo yun. Totoo po yun. Araw-araw siyang umabsent para sa amin.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the sweethearts who are here tonight. To all our solid fans. To all my solid Alexas.
Of course, my solid KDs. Thank you so much, babe.
To all the solid KDs.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, cute. May pa-banner.
Oh, may banner.
Parang graduation mo.
Graduation.
Cute. Ayan, and syempre hindi lang yung mga nandito, kundi pati yung mga team abroad, mga nag-donate, mga nag-ayos, lahat. Saan? Tita Noli, everyone, kiss. KD Lex International Sweethearts, everyone, each and every sweetheart. Team Bahay, kung wala ka sa abroad, kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, thank you, because we still feel your presence here with us tonight, and this still wouldn't be possible without you, for making this trend, for all the efforts that you do, and maraming salamat sa lahat. I hope I didn't forget anyone. I hope I didn't forget anyone. But please know, from the bottom of our hearts, we are so, what are we?
Grateful.
We are so grateful.
And blessed to have you guys.
We are so honored na sa lahat ng artistang napapanood nyo at pwede nyo supportahan, kami ang pinili nyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for being here. We love you.
So much. And
we love you, and bye-bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Let's hit it!
Let's go! Alam niyo to, syempre.
Party! Come on, let's go!
nice. Amazing. They were both shining. Congrats kay KD at Alexa. You guys are, ang galing nyo.
Ano yung favorite part nyo sa concert?
Favorite part ko? I love the last song Mysterio. Ang fun talaga.
Favorite part nyo sa concert?
Nung dinuwit nila yung Way Back Into Love. Yeah, that was nice.
How was the K-Dex concert? Super enjoy ko kayo kanina.
Yeah, I super enjoyed. Super love it. I love every bit of it.
What's your favorite part sa concert?
Oh, when Alexa sang Enchanted, as a Swiftie, it was just giving. Fit ang mic mo ha.
Thank you.
Sure.
Ano po yung experience sa K-Dex concert?
Napakasaya dahil first time nila nagkaroon ng concert, natupad na yung wish nila, and napaka-happy naming lahat ng mga sweethearts, and sana maulit pa ito ng maraming beses at saka maraming projects pa dumating sa kanila.
Anong favorite part or moment mo sa concert?
Favorite part ko sa kanila yung nag-duet sila ng parehas, ng ilang beses silang nag-duet, tapos nag-solo. Actually lahat ng favorites.
Message mo sa K-Dex?
Hello po.
Sana magtagal pa kayo at saka marami pa kayong mapasayang mga tao at saka magiging inspirasyon namin kayo sa lahat ng bagay.
Kamusta po yung concert?
Oh my God! Sobrang it's so awesome! Another repeat! Super worth it! Yes! We want it!
Anong favorite part nyo sa
Disney songs! Everything!
Kamusta po yung experience sa first K-Dex concert?
Siyempre, this is the first concert ng KD-Lex. Sobra talaga, grabe. Yung expectation namin, sumobra yung ginawa ni Alex at saka ni KD sa ina-expect na mangyayari namin. At saka, grabe, hanggang ngayon kinikilabutan ako, nakakaiyak. Grabe, sobrang successful. At sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta sa KD-Lex, thank you so much.
Ano yung favorite part or moment na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Pinaka-favorite ko syempre yung kinanta ni Alexa, yung I Believe in Magic. Ayan. Sobra kasing inspirational yung kanta na yon. At saka ayun yung kanta na talagang naging experience ni Alexa during ng kanyang career.
Super saya po at sobrang successful po yung first concert ng KD-Lex.
Masasama-sama kayo. Okay lang po yan.
Halos lahat naman favorite ko, pero ang pinaka-part na favorite ko yung Mysterio. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-tumatak sa aming mga KD-Lex na unang kinanta talaga nila. Ang message ko po sa KD-Lex, more successful to come, and palagi lang kaming nakasuporta dito sa inyo sa hirap at ginhawa, at sana kayo na hanggang dulo. Yun lang, palagi lang kami nakasupport. We love you so much, KD-Lex. Mahal namin kayo. Go KD-Lex! We love you!
Kamusta yung experience sa K-Dex concert?
Mataya po.
Ano yung favorite part mo sa concert?
Marami po.
Like, anong pinaka-pipil ka ng favorite part? Best part mo ng concert?
Bagong kanta po. Bagong kanta.
Yun, anong message mo sa K-Dex?
On the rat. So proud of.
Salamat po. Lahat po ng mga meet and greet ko na naka-wristband na pin po, dito po tayo.
And there you have it mga ka-Vitox. Kakatapos ko lang manood ng first ever concert ng KD-Lex, and I must say, sobrang akong nag-enjoy at sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. Ako ay certified sweetheart na rin. Dahil nasubaybayan ko naman sila since nung nasa PBB sila, PBB days ng KD-Lex, and kinikilig na ako sa kanila from that time. Pero di ko na-expect na gantong lalaking love team nila, and I'm just so happy nung napanood ko yung mga performances nila. Sobra akong na-in love. Very personal nito sa kanila, and malalaman yun dito sa vlog ko na to dahil lalagay ko yung mga highlights and kung bakit nga special at add to heart yung title nitong concert nila, diba? Yun, ang daming mga favorite parts ko dito, lalo na yung sa second part, yung kay KD, nung kumakanta siya, pinapakita kasi doon yung history nila kung paano nabuo yung KD-Lex, and lalo na yung kaduet niya dito si Bugoy Drilon, tapos yung kay Alexa naman kay Yeng Constantino. Diba, it's a dream come true. So para sa amin, dream come true rin yung mga sweethearts na nangyari sa kanila yun. So I hope na marami pang concerts na darating ang KD-Lex at bigger venue na next time dahil deserve nila yun. Araneta na. So, Star Music, let's do this, and susuportahan namin ang KD-Lex at I'm a certified sweetheart na. So maraming salamat mga ka-VTalk sa panonood. Stay tuned for more videos and updates about KDEX Entertainment. And if you want more, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga next videos and sa mga social media pages ko. I love you all again and thank you so much mga ka-VTalk.